different ways people are making a killing online. Let's look at 4 of the most common ones today. All of them are exciting in their own different ways. First, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers a passive income stream for those willing to put in the initial effort. By promoting products or services through affiliate links, you can earn a commission for every sale generated through your referral. The key to success in affiliate marketing lies in selecting the right products or niches, building a targeted audience, and implementing effective promotional tactics. With dedication and perseverance, affiliate marketing can become a highly profitable venture. Next, selling physical products on Amazon. Some people are making a killing by buying wholesale products, putting their own private label on them, and then listing them on Amazon under their own brand. There are millions of buyers every day on Amazon, and if you have the funds available to invest in private labeling products and listing them there, then it's lucrative. The great thing is that all orders are fulfilled by Amazon if you use their FBA service, so you don't even need to stock the inventory yourself. Next, selling physical products on eBay. A lot of people have had success over the years selling physical products on eBay. It's a bit quicker to get started than Amazon, though it's a little trickier to scale into a larger business with eBay as their auction system is a bit more complex, so selling multiple items can be trickier, though still possible as has been seen by numerous power sellers over the years. Next, making and selling your own information products. The great thing about making and selling your own information products is that there is a high profit margin because it's all delivered digitally. I recommend that you start with affiliate marketing before trying to make and sell your own products though. That way, you can learn the marketing before having to learn how to develop your own products, manage affiliates, take payments, and so forth. Making a killing online requires dedication, creativity, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape. By exploring the 4 strategies in this video and implementing effective tactics, you can unlock the potential for substantial income and financial freedom. Remember to stay focused, stay motivated, and never stop learning as you embark on your journey to online success. If you would like to learn more about this subject, there is a link below this video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos.